Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka-Office jong ka-Commissioner for Persons and Disabilities ka Sorkar Jilla, haringkat ka jingitrailang bat ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs and Composite Regional Center, Shillong, mentakasi ka Arpsantrik Uleber Arhaja Apusan, kalapelong ya ka program Pynkup Burom ya ki prangut kinong Sengkam Lajong, ki badan Jingduna ha ki Dkhot met, ki balayo jingirap lingba ka Sorkar Jilla na ka Prime. Berhaka jo kapor, lapalat pat baru ya ka app, ka banyarap ya ki brio ki baduna Dkhot met, haba ki let chani shatai ya ka bala tip kum ka yes to access, ya ka bala pelong ha usoso tham auditorium. Hakan ni kasngi na kalyang umintri ka tanat jong ka social welfare ka Sorkar Jilla, uba po lingdo, ulalong kum ukong san haringkat ka jingidan lang ka director jong ka tanat social welfare ka kong Camelia Dorin Lingwa, ka balalong kum ka sembut kong san nalor kiway kinong Dkhot ngobha.
A huge round of applause for Mr. Lajong for Hapdeng. This business focuses on creating high-quality handmade products while providing meaningful employment opportunities to persons with disabilities. With a commitment to excellence and functionality, it aspires to be a leader in crafting unique and practical items from the northeastern region. This business is located at Dkhot. This business focuses on cultivating high-quality, sustainable flowers that brings beauty and joy to every space. This business is from Dkhot, which celebrates traditional craftsmanship by empowering artisans to preserve cultural heritage through exceptional handmade products, with a focus on creativity, sustainability, and community growth. This business is dedicated to crafting timeless and sustainable furniture that seamlessly blends functionality with exceptional design. This business specializes in delivering exceptional steel fabrication, services that provide innovation, craftsmanship, and reliability. Her business focuses on creating custom embroidered products that inspire creativity and elevate personal and professional styles. Electrician and wiring. He is now currently undergoing a training in gadget services, Pynkup, Shillong.
First and foremost, let me extend a very warm welcome to all our guests, especially our friends and entrepreneurs drawn from PUDs. Kapten Sobhai kajing don rakat jampi ki parlok ki udan ki shidong agi Dkhot met dari ki ba kilala dan kesan limba kajingnya dari rakat ke prime dari benda berkelila di DP ba kajingnya di jampi agi jingim kenong ke ba pila ban kesan yang hadir pada yang kisah jongki. I also welcome to our family because I deem social welfare department to be family, and it is with a lot of delight and also with a lot of expectation that I welcome Pak Lekor to our family here. True to his name, now the mantle has fallen on his shoulders, and I hope that it proves equal to, and his shoulders get as strong as his responsibilities. It's very important for us to also keep in mind that apart from your having welcomed me here as Minister of Social Welfare, there is, the term minister is not just a noun, it's also a verb. And the meaning of the word minister as a verb is to attend to the needs of others. To minister to someone means to attend to the need of others. So it's not just a privilege, it's not just about power, it's not just as is very common parlance these days to say high level, but it is nothing to do with high level. It is serving, catering, and going down to the grassroots to find out what are the needs and to cater to those needs. So I think apart from everything else, I would like to take this name and the office of a minister, keeping that verb in mind, to tend to the needs of others. One of the greatest human beings who ever walked the face of this earth, Mother Teresa, had said that the greatest affliction that confronts humanity is not cholera, is not tuberculosis, but it is the sense of not being wanted. And it is our responsibility as a government. A lot of government officers, in fact, have this tendency to think that government would mean the 12 members of the ministry of the government of Meghalaya, forgetting that they themselves are also part, parcel, and co-traveler in this entire journey, the yatra that we have to take this state forward. I'm amused that sometimes even members belonging to staff in the state secretariat think of government as people who occupy chambers as cabinet ministers. But government belongs to each one of you. And we will be able to succeed in our mission only when each one of you thinks in those terms. You have a responsibility, we have a responsibility to fulfill. I'd like to break down this word responsibility to address one very important aspect of what it means to be responsible. Responsibility, especially to our officers manning various departments and shouldering various responsibilities. Please keep this in mind. Responsibility also means responsibility. Your ability to respond to situations, to challenges, to problems, to issues.
To that effort, as we not only create livelihood opportunities to persons with disabilities, but we also take steps to ensure that all public infrastructure and services are accessible to all. Today's program, we focus especially on the Sukamya Yatra, which is a pioneering initiative of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Government of India, in making public spaces accessible to all, both people with disabilities and people without disabilities. Sukamya Yatra, meaning accessible journey, is a nationwide initiative launched on 7th February 2025 under the Accessible India campaign. It aims at promoting accessibility and inclusivity for persons with disabilities by raising awareness and addressing accessibility challenges in public spaces and infrastructure. The program aims to eliminate barriers and foster inclusivity for all citizens, ensuring that public spaces and government institutions are accessible to everyone. As part of the initiative, teams will be carrying out a social audit process. The Accessible India campaign, which also known as the Sukamya Bharat Abhiyan, was launched by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2015 on 3rd December during the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, with the aim of making government buildings accessible to persons with disabilities. However, the ministry often receives complaints that many buildings are still not fully accessible. We are very happy to inform you that our state, Meghalaya, has not received any complaints so far, because with the support of the Social Welfare Department during Sorkar and with the support, they are very supportive that way. So far we have not received any complaints. So thank you so much, sir, for helping us, for being the great pillar of the department, and for supporting us so quickly that we are able to move